In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter pop-up in Shopify Dawn theme. Since the Dawn theme doesn't include a built-in newsletter pop-up, the simplest and safest route is to use a dedicated pop-up app from the Shopify App Store. This avoids custom coding and gets you up and running faster, with controls for timing, frequency, and design that fit right into your store. Start by choosing a pop-up or email capture app. Look for something lightweight that captures emails reliably and offers options like delay, frequency limits, and, if you want it, exit intent on desktop. A straightforward example is Simple Pop-up, but there are many options. Browse reviews, check compatibility with your email provider, and make sure it lets you style the pop-up to match your brand. Next, install the app. In your Shopify admin, go to Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. Search for your chosen pop-up app, add it to your store, and complete the quick setup guided by the app. Most apps will add the necessary scripts automatically. After installation, enable the app embed so it can run on your theme. Go to Online Store, then Themes, click Customize, and open the App Embeds panel. Find the pop-up app, toggle it on, and save. This step connects the app to your Dawn theme so the pop-up can actually display on your storefront. Now configure the pop-up behavior in the app's settings. Decide when it should appear, like a gentle delay of a few seconds after page load, and how often it should show to the same visitor to avoid repetition. If the app supports device targeting, consider softer settings on mobile to keep the experience smooth. Use frequency capping to prevent showing the pop-up too many times, and be thoughtful with exit intent so it's helpful, not intrusive. Design the pop-up in the app's editor. Write a clear headline, a short, compelling message, and label the email input and button clearly. Keep it brief, promise value, and match your store's colors and fonts for a cohesive look. Ensure the close button is easy to find, and check contrast for readability. If your brand uses a background image or icon, keep it lightweight so it doesn't slow the page. Finally, test on your store. Preview your storefront, refresh, and confirm the pop-up appears according to your settings. Try a private window to bypass frequency limits while testing. Submit a test email and verify it shows up where expected, whether that's in Shopify Customers or your connected email tool. Make sure error messages work, the pop-up closes properly, and it doesn't interrupt key pages like checkout. Save your settings, and you're done.